What is cinematic film? I get a variation of this question asked to me all the time. What gear or what settings do they need to make cinematic footage? And honestly, I feel like that thought process is kind of missing the actual idea of what cinematic is. Everything that I'm saying here, I'm not saying to be rude or dismissive or not answer a question, but to show you that it's really not the settings or the gear. And it's great that they don't matter, because you might not be able to afford certain kinds of gear, and the gear that you do get might not have certain kinds of settings. But regardless of what you have, you can still make amazing cinematic films. And when I'm saying that you can create a cinematic film with any gear or subject matter, I really do mean it. So to prove my point, I made a short cinematic film that's just about me getting up, getting ready, and going on a morning walk. I also made sure that I wasn't necessarily using the best gear or settings. I mean, I shot this thing on a GoPro, an iPhone, an Osmo Pocket 3, and my A7 IV. But the parts I shot on the A7 IV, I shot in 1080p and then upscaled to make it worse quality-wise, so you all can really see that the gear doesn't really matter for your cinematic experience. So enjoy, and here it is. All right, that was the film. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoyed this little educational video on how you should be thinking about your filmmaking process to make cinematic experiences and create cinematic films, because I know you all can do it with whatever you have. You just need to focus on serving the story. As always, I hope to see you out there. Bye. For those of you wondering, no, it's not a candle below me. It's aperture B7C that I've turned to a warm temperature and then made it flicker so that it looks like fire. It's all tricks and creativity, baby.